What's up, YouTube? I come to you today with a heavy heart because I had a very unfortunate incident happen to me this morning. That is, I was driving to work and out of nowhere I heard a very perplexing sound coming from my engine. So I may or may not have spun a bearing. So we're gonna find out right now. What I'm about to do is drain the oil out. I got a metal screen in the catch thing. I'm gonna see if there's any metal shavings, and then I'm gonna fill it with this cheap shit and just see if the noises go away. Let's hope. Yeah.
Ooh, that's some black crude.
Yep, that's not even a lot.
Whoa.
What?
That's strong.
Here we go, some shit oil.
It smells like dinosaurs.
Alright, so what are we about to do?
Go ahead and prime the oil up in the engine.
Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and connect it now.